Now this question number 14 is a normal question of time, speed, distance. There is nothing complex in this question. Now the distance, total distance that the two trains are covering is given as 1176. Now there are two trains, express train and the passenger train. Now the question says that to cover this distance, express train takes 5 hours less than the passenger train. So let's say passenger train takes T hours, so express train will take T minus 5 hours. Okay. So I can say that the speed of express train will be 1176, the distance upon the time taken T minus 5. This is the speed of express train, and the speed of passenger train will be 1176 divided by T. Now the difference between these two speeds is given as 70 km per hour. So I'll make the equation and this is equal to 70. Now simplifying this equation, taking LCM first of all on the left hand side, this will give me 1176 multiplied by 5 divided by T into T minus 5 is equal to 70. Now I can cancel 70 from both the sides. So the final equation will become T square minus 5T minus 84 is equal to 0. T square minus 5T minus 84 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic in T. Upon simplifying, if I'll do the factorization, so in this case it will become T minus 12 into T plus 7 equal to 0. So T will have two values. It will be equal to 12 or minus 7. Now minus 7 will be rejected and the value of T will be equal to 12. So in this case, passenger train takes 12 hours and express train will take 5 hours less than that. That is 7 hours. Okay. Now let's see what do we have to find in this. We have to find the time taken by the passenger train. So we have to find the time taken by passenger train. So I'll first of all calculate the speed of passenger train. So the speed of passenger train will be equal to 1176, that is the distance, divided by the time taken, which is equal to 12. Okay, so from here I can say that the speed of the passenger train will come out to be 1176 divided by 12, and that is equal to 98 km per hour. Okay, fine. Now this is the speed. Now they're asking find the time taken by this train to cover only 3/4 of the distance. So 3/4 of the distance, that means distance covered will be 3 by 4 of 1176 at a speed which is 1/4 of its usual speed. So the speed will be 1 by 4 of 98. Okay. So the time taken will be equal to the distance divided by the speed, and you can simplify this and get the answer. So 4 will get cancelled, so it will be 3 times 1176 divided by 98. Now 98 into 12 is 1176. So 12 into 3, 36 hours will be the time taken by passenger train to cover this distance at 1/4 of the usual speed. So the correct answer for this question should be 36 hours. All right, let's move on to the next question.